So, good morning, all of you. So, today, A reading, a town mouse, country mouse, that is our children. Today, I am going to explain you that is B reading children. This is poem. What is that? The town child and the country child as children. So, in these poems, we can know. In these poems, we can know about the feelings of the child, those who are living in town. So the feelings of the town child, like that. Those who are living in country, so the feelings of country child, how they will be, their feelings, how they will be. Let us see now, children. So first, let us discuss about. Okay, first I shall explain about the feelings of the town child, children. So this is the poem, the town child and the country child. These poems were written by Irani Thompson. Irani Thompson, yes, children. So poem wise I shall explain you, children. First poem. I live in the town. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. So, children, this is the first poem, children. The town child in that poem, first poem. Okay. So, children, this is the declaration given by town child, children. So, I live in the town, not declaration, he is telling. Okay. So, I live in the town. Who is living in the town? The town child. The town child lives in town in a street. Yes, children. So, it is crowded with the traffic and feet. It is crowded with the traffic. Because town everywhere on roads are full of busy with motors, vehicles, lorries, buses, all these. So he is telling about traffic, children. That's why he is telling it is crowded with traffic and feet. Next, children, there are buses and motors and trams. Yes, children, this is the topic will occur because of number of buses and motors and trams. Tram is nothing but like a jeep. Yes, children, carrying goods vehicles, children. Okay. So next, second poem, children. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. Yes, children. Second poem. The houses all wait in a row. Yes, children. Not like village. In village, here one house, there one house, like that. We will see. But in town, not like that. Houses will be constructed side by side, like in a colony, like that, children. So the houses all wait in a row. It means in town, all the houses in a row. In a streets. Next, in a row, there is smoke everywhere. Yes, children. In town, everywhere smoke, children. Everywhere. Because of n number of buses, lorries, trams, autos, n number of vehicles. Because of that, everywhere smoke. Not only, children, in towns we can find what is that? Number of factories everywhere. That is, children. Wherever you go, something factory will find. So, because of factory, while the workers producing product, we can observe smoke that goes from out of the factory, children. So that's why he is telling, what is that? There is a smoke everywhere. Yes, children, wherever you go, you can find smoke in town that I go. Wherever the town child goes, he is finding smoke in town, children. Next, what's that possible? That I go. Yes, children. So wherever the town child goes, automatically, what is that? He can see smoke. I mean, it is nothing but pollution, children. Everywhere pollution. That is the intention of the town child. Next, I don't like the noises I hear. The town child is telling that he don't like the noises. He don't like the noises that he hears. I wish means desire. Wish means desire. Yes, children. I wish there were woods very near. Yes, children. The town child don't like the noises made by the vehicles like buses, lorries, trams, all these aeroplanes, trains. Because all these vehicles produce noise, children, make sound. That is the noise not liked by the town child. Okay, so the town child wish means desire. The town child, his desire, there were woods very near. So the town child wants to live near the woods. Children, wood is nothing but forest. Wood is nothing but forest. Yes, children. Wish means desire. Wood means forest. Forest. Yes, children. So the town child wish, that means the town child desire, he wants to live near the wood. Wood means forest, near the forest. So the town child wants, he is wishing, what is that? Such a peaceful atmosphere that is only available near the woods only. I mean in the villages or near the woods only. Such an atmosphere we can find. Such an atmosphere the town child wants to wish. So my question, which type of atmosphere does the town child wants to live? So the town child wants a peaceful atmosphere. So where we can't find noises, such an atmosphere he wishes. Who wishes? The town child wishes. Which type of atmosphere he wishes? There is a peaceful where we can't find noises. Yes, children. So first poem, that is our children. Second poem, that is our children. Now let's see the next poem. There is only one thing that I love. There is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. And that is the sky far above. There is a plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. This is the third poem, children. Children, not poem. Poem. That is the correct pronunciation. Poem. Yes, children. So there is only one thing that I love. The town child only he loves one thing only, children. That is the sky far above. What he likes only one thing. What he loves only one thing. That is the sky, children, which is very far from the earth. Next, there is a plenty of room in the blue. There is a plenty. Plenty means more. Plenty means more, children. There is a plenty of room. Yes, children, room. Room means place. There is a plenty. There is a more place in the sky for me and for the clouds. Children, that means the town child is telling that there is no open place in cities. Every place is in every place it is constructed. Buildings, so there is no place, everything is narrow, everything is full of traffic, so there is no place to play. So like that he is telling children only one thing, that is peaceful, and there is a more place, that is the sky which is very far from the earth. That's he is worrying about town atmosphere. Yes, children, because there is no place to play, there is no peaceful atmosphere to live. So that's why the town child he always wants to near the wood, children. So wood is nothing but forest. Yes, children. So this is the poem, the town child. This is the poem written by Irani Thompson. Yes, children. Irani Thompson. So these are the feelings of the town child, children. So the town child mainly he wants to live near the woods. Yes, children. This is about the town child. So, children, in the town child poem, we can find what is that rhyming words. We can find, children. Rhyming words, for example, street, feet, street, feet. These are rhyming words, children. Next, row, go, row, go, row, go. Yes, children, these are rhyming words. Next, here, near, here, near. Yes, children, these are rhyming words. Next, that is the far, love, above, love, above, above, love, above. Last sound, children, we have to catch. Next, children, blue two, blue, ooh, like that two, ooh. Last sound we have to catch children. So these are rhyming words. So once again I am telling you children, in this poem rhyming words: street, feet, row, go, here, near, love, above, blue, two. These are the rhyming words children. So this is about Townchild poem children. Next, I am going to explain you country child as children. Country child. Okay children. So till now I explained you about the town child children. Those are the feelings of the town child. Like that. Now I am going to explain you about the country child children. The country child feelings, how they will be. Now let us see children. The country child feelings, those are different from town child children. Yes, completely. Why? Because what we don't have, we feel them as children. For example, in Tuni, cinema theaters more, shopping malls, everything. That's why we don't want to. But the people, those who don't have near the villages, they always wants to come and see, because they don't have those. We have. That's why we don't have. Suppose Annavaram. In Annavaram temple is there. The local people, they don't want to go always. Why? Because that is the native place. They have the temple. But it is very far to people of the Tuni. They always wanted to come and visit the Lord Satyanarayana. Here main concept, what we don't have, we wish them. What we have, we don't wish them. That is the main concept. So that's why the town child, he don't have, what is the forests are very far. That's why he wants to live near the forest. But the country child not like the children. The country child, country means village. That means forests, I mean woods, very near for them. That's why country child wants to live somewhere else. Yes, children. Now let us see the feelings of country child. First poem children. My home is a house near a wood. Near a wood. Yes, children. I would live in a street if I could. If I could. The lanes are so quiet. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yes, children. This is the first poem, children. So here, my home is a house near a wood. Near a wood. Yes, children. I have already told you. Wood means forest. Wood means forest. So the country child is living near the forest. Near the forest. So I would, in the above line, I refers country child. Country child would live in a street if I could. So if is there any possibility, the country child wants to live near the lanes. I mean lanes. Where can we see lanes? In the town. I mean the country child wants to live in a street. Street means in the town. The country child wants to live in town. If he could. If it is possible, he wants to live in town, children. That is the first poem. Second poem, children. The lanes are so quiet. Oh dear, I wish that someone lived near. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for hours. Worried not for the birds and the flowers. This is second poem, children. This is second poem. So the lanes are so quiet. Yes, children. Now we are talking about country child. So the lanes are so quiet. Quiet means silence. Yes, children. The lanes are so quiet. The lanes are so quiet. So he is telling in village near the wood, the lanes are so quiet means very less people lives there. We can't find buses more. We can't find autos more. We can't find lorries. We can't find trains. We can't find aeroplanes. So definitely there will be quiet. So that's what he is telling. The lanes are so quiet. Oh dear. That countryside is telling that the atmosphere of village is very quiet. Quiet means silence. I do wish that someone lived near. I do wish. I wish means I desire. The country child is wishing. The country child is wishing that someone lived near. Someone lived near. So country child, he is wishing that if it is there anyone else along with me, it would be there nice. So he wants company. Company means friendship. Friends he needs, but no one is there because he is living near the woods, near the forest. He is living, children. That's why no one is there. That's why the country child wishing if it is there, someone lived near. If it is there, someone else to play with, it would be nice. So that is the feeling of country child. Next, there is no one to play with. Is there anyone to play with? There is no one to play with. That's why he is wishing to live someone people near to his house as children at all. The trees are so high. The trees are so high because that is forest. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely. And I should be lonely. Why he should be lonely? Because there is no one near the forest. His family only living near the forest. That's why there is no child to play with. Okay, only in surroundings what are there? The trees are so high, the trees are so tall, there is no one to play with. Yes, children. So, and I should be lonely. Lonely means single. Yes, children, I should be lonely. He is only living. There is no one to play with. So he is, and I should be lonely for hours. For hours, yes, children, for so many. The whole day he is only staying. He is only living in the near the woods. So no one to play with. He feels very bored. So were it not for the birds and the flowers, only for me, it is bored for flowers, it is bored for birds, he is telling like that. So, what is the second poem channel? What is the wish of the town child, country child? Country child, his family only is living near the forest, so no one is there beside them, no one is living beside their families. That's why he don't wants to live near the forest, he wants to live somewhere else. Now let us see where he wants to live. Yes, children. This is third poem, children. I wish, children, I wish that I lived in a town. I wish, the country child wish, desire. What is his desire? He wants to live in a town. It is completely different, children. Okay, I shall explain last. So the country child wants to live in a town, children, to see all the trams going down, to see all the trams. Trams means I have already told you, children, luggage vehicles, goods like vans, Tata AC vehicles, goods luggages is there now, those. So he wants to live in a town. Who wants to live in a town? The country child wants to live in a town, children. For what? To see all the trams going down. To see all the trams going down and twinkling street that is bright. Yes, children. Even night, the roads are full of with lights, children. That's why. To see a twinkling street that is bright, next with wonderful colors at night. Yes, children. So white lights will be there. We can find yellow lights. So different color lights we can find at nights in town, children. So the night the lanes are completely full of it, lights with different lights. So that's why the country child wants to go and live in town, children. So this is about country child, children. These are the feelings of country child. So what I am telling? Okay, now I shall explain you rhyming words, children. Now now let us see. Okay, children, would, could. These are rhyming words. Next, dear, near, dear, near. These are rhyming words. Next, all, tall, all, tall. These are rhyming words. Next, arts, flowers. These are rhyming words. Next, town, down. These are rhyming words. Next, bright night. These are rhyming words, children. So once again, would, could, dear, near, all, tall, ours, flowers, town, down, bright, night. Yes, children. So these are rhyming words in the poem that is the country child children. This is the poem was written by Irani Thompson. Irani Thompson. So children, till now I explained about the town child feelings. Till now I explained about the country child feelings. Yes, children. So what I am telling you, the town child always wants to live in country, and the country child always wants to live in town. So here, the intentions of the child's children, it is nothing but what they don't have, they wish. Yes, children. In country, in town, there is no space to play. There is no, all are busy. There is no ground. So he wishes to live in country. But country child, he feels bored because he is living alone near the wood. Wood means forest. He feels bored. That's why he always wants to live in town. So that is the concept, children. So I explained both, children. I explained the rhyming words. I explained meanings. I explained about author. I said who is author. So all these you have to watch, children. Watch once. If you don't understand, watch twice. Then only you attempt exam, children. So you have to get out of from these poems, children. So this is the class for today 7th. Thank